Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the concept of overriding in Kotlin. In a previous lecture of inheritance, I have explained this example. Employee class, salary class, we are inheriting the employee class in salary class, and we are using here two methods: display employee and display salary. And then we run the program and we have the output like this. This way we had, this is the overloading program. We are going to run inheritance program. So when we run this program, we have the output like this. Okay. So now we are converting this program in form of overriding. So I'm converting the name of this particular function to display, and again the salary to display. You see, because the name of display in employee is same as the name of the salary, both having a same name. So this is called the overriding concepts. But in Kotlin, we have to write here override. Okay. Sorry, we have to write here override. And here we write open. Okay. So here the function display is going to be override in salary. So that's why we have to write here open, because by default this function is final. We cannot override. But we want to override, that's why we have to write here open keyword just like in class. And here we have to write the override keyword. In Kotlin is not simple to implement overriding just like in Java. So here is some rules. So first rule is that we have to create an open method in a super class, and in subclass we have to put the keyword override. Now you see these having an error because this function is not available right now. So we are converting this function. So only one function is there, no salary. So remove this, and there is a way to call the previous one also, because is a salary, and we want to display the super class display also. So by this way I can display this also, because they are passing name and age in this function and then in a salary. Same result I will get here by using this concept also. You can see the output is same, but now this time it is by using inheritance concept overriding. Okay, by using overriding we are displaying the result, and we are calling here the super class method display in a subclass by using a super keyword. So this is the way to implement overriding in Kotlin. See you in next lectures. Till then, bye.